Welcome to Denny's Roofing, your local roofing expert serving Loveland, Colorado. Seeking professional roofing solutions for your home or business? You're in the right place. We bring over a decade of industry experience and expertise to every project. Our founder, Denny, built this company on a foundation of knowledge, experience, and hard work. With a focus on 5-star customer service, we take pride in every step of the construction process. We prioritize expert roofing paired with exceptional customer care. Let our dedicated staff guide you through the entire construction or repair process seamlessly. Experience the best in expert roofing and customer-focused service with us. Join our satisfied customers who appreciate our dedication to quality and professionalism. Your satisfaction is our priority. We go above and beyond to exceed your expectations. Rest assured, with our roofing experts, your roofing project is in capable hands. Need assistance with insurance claims? Trust our roofers for expert claim assistance. Contact us today and let us elevate your roof to new heights. Call us today at 970-239-8236 to discuss your roofing needs and schedule a consultation. Visit dennysroofingllc.com/loveland-roofing-company to learn more about our services. Trust Denny's Roofing for all your roofing needs in Loveland and beyond.